Have you ever judged someone without knowing their story? Laura and Emily were sitting on exercise bikes in a fitness club. Soft music played in the background. Sunlight came through the large glass windows in front of them. They were talking about life and how exhausting it had become. "Life is so difficult," Laura said. "There's always something to do. Work, family, home." Emily nodded. "It never stops," she said. They kept pedaling slowly, lost in their thoughts. Then Laura looked outside. Across the street, there was a small cafe. Inside, a young woman sat alone. She looked pale, tired, and distant. She held a cup of coffee, but didn't drink it. "Look at her," Laura said. "Is it really so hard to take care of yourself? Everything is available nowadays. You just need to try." Emily smiled. "You're right," she said. "We're doing great." Laura laughed softly. "Yes, we are. Super moms." After their workout, they said goodbye and drove home. Laura started her daily routine. Laundry, dishes, cleaning. Everything felt normal. But suddenly, Laura felt a sharp pain in her chest. She stopped. Her breathing became heavy. She reached for her phone and called an ambulance. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital room. Machines were beeping. Everything looked unclear. A nurse came in, checked the monitors, and left. Laura fell asleep again. Later, Laura woke up again. She turned her head and saw a nurse sleeping in a chair beside her. The nurse looked exhausted. Laura looked closer and froze. It was the girl from the cafe. Laura felt ashamed. She slowly got up and covered the nurse with a jacket. The nurse woke up quickly. "I'm sorry," she said. "Your condition wasn't stable, so I stayed here." Laura said nothing. Later, Emily came to visit. She saw the nurse and said, "That's the girl from the cafe. She looks even worse now." Laura sighed. "After today," she said, "I realized something. Sometimes it's better to stay silent than to judge others. We don't know their story. I don't think I could live her life and still stand strong. Before you judge someone, remember this. You only see a moment of their life, not the whole story." If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English stories.